Imagine walking into work today and, I don't know, handing every single employee the keys to a Ferrari.
That sounds pretty dangerous.
Right. No driver's ed, no speed limits, and absolutely no maps. But that is, well, exactly what executives are doing right now with enterprise AI. Okay, let's unpack this. Today, our mission is to explore why enterprise AI adoption is just so incredibly messy and how a new tool from Winning Team AI aims to be a total game changer for leadership.
Yeah, and we've got some great sources to help us out today. We are pulling from the resume of cloud transformation veteran Joe Lewis, a strategic AI roadmap document, and a beta launch announcement for something called the AI Adoption Hub.
So let's establish the baseline here. Every executive feels this immense pressure to adopt AI right now, but it's just chaos.
Oh, absolutely. But what's fascinating here is that companies are failing not because the AI itself doesn't work. It's an operational failure, not a technological one. We're talking about shadow AI.
Shadow AI. So employees are basically just quietly plugging in unapproved tools to, get their work done faster.
Exactly. And they are creating massive brand and compliance risks in the process.
It's like having hundreds of unmapped extension cords running under the desks in your office. I mean, sure, everyone is getting the power they need to work faster today, but one spilled cup of coffee or one hallucinated piece of proprietary data.
And you burn the whole building down tomorrow.
Exactly.
Yep.
And with zero measurable return on investment, too.
Right. Innovation stalls out after the first pilot program because there's just no framework. You have teams wasting time experimenting, and leadership is completely paralyzed.
So if a lack of structure is the disease, who actually has the cure? I mean, you need someone who speaks enterprise architecture, not just machine learning.
Yeah, and that is where Joe Lewis's background comes in. He's the founder of Winning Team AI, and he isn't just an AI theorist.
Right.
He has over 13 years of experience delivering massive, high-stakes enterprise programs. We're talking about flawlessly migrating over 300 terabytes of healthcare data to Oracle Cloud.
Wow.
With zero downtime.
Zero downtime with healthcare data? That is no joke.
Not at all. And if you are used to executing high-risk, zero-disruption cloud migrations, you just approach AI entirely differently.
Yeah, you don't just, chase the newest generative model.
Exactly. You build structures. It's why his platform focuses so heavily on 30, 60, and 90-day adoption roadmaps and really strict governance like the Raiders framework instead of just chasing trends.
Yeah, I saw that acronym in the notes. Break that down for us.
Well, the Raiders framework essentially acts as a rigorous checklist. It evaluates risk, AI alignment, data security, and enterprise readiness.
Got it. So he's taking the demand for absolute operational stability and forcing it onto the unpredictable world of AI.
Precisely. Which brings us to their newly launched beta tool, the AI Adoption Hub. It acts as a 24/7 AI strategy team and business analysts.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting. But hold on. Isn't relying on an AI to implement AI just creating an infinite loop of tech buzzwords?
It definitely sounds like it at first.
Yeah, I mean, can an algorithm really understand a company's specific compliance risks?
It's a fair question. But if we connect this to the bigger picture, the hub forces companies to move from random experimentation to structured, measurable business value. It's not just a chatbot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it ingests a company's workflow data, cross-references it with that Raiders checklist, and actually identifies the fastest ROI opportunities. It calculates exact time savings and cost reductions.
Oh, wow. So it removes the human guesswork. It does the heavy lifting to find the actual return on investment.
Exactly. It answers the exact ROI metrics that leadership demands before writing a check. It might give you a 30-day roadmap for HR automation, then a 60-day plan for supply chain, all perfectly costed out.
That's incredible. So what does this mean for you listening right now? If you're leading any initiative, remember, the companies that win with AI aren't the ones experimenting randomly. They're the ones building repeatable, governed systems.
You have to tame the chaos before you can scale.
Absolutely. Which leaves us with a pretty provocative thought for you to mull over. If tools like the AI Adoption Hub eventually perfect the process of AI, implementing AI, generating roadmaps and assessing risks automatically, what happens to the traditional role of the human executive project manager? Do they evolve into something entirely new or eventually become completely obsolete? Just something to think about the next time you hand out those sports cards.